Hello, everyone. Here's Mr. Oyedeji with you. Today, we want to explore something very important. Usually, when we speak, sometimes some people say some things and you don't understand it. In that situation, it's not because they are using words that you don't understand. It's just because what they're saying doesn't make sense to you. Let me share my screen to show you what I mean. Now, imagine you're reading a story and it says, one Sunday morning, Mia and Tom went on a boat trip. That is clear to you, right? We know who went on a trip and we know what they went on. We know where they're going. There is clarity. We are sure of what is happening in that sentence. But the second sentence says, suddenly a big wave. Was that clear to you? I'm very sure you'll be wondering, what happened to the big wave? What did the big wave do? I'm very, very confused. The next one says the boat rocked back and forth. Yes, that's clear. The boat, something, did something, rocked back and forth. That's very clear. Then the next one says into the water. I'm very sure you're as confused as I am at this point in time because suddenly a big wave doesn't make any sense because it doesn't have a clear meaning. And into the water is also unclear. That brings us to the topic we are exploring today, sentences and fragments. The question is, which one is a sentence? Which one is a fragment? How do we know? It's very simple. If it's a sentence, it's going to make a complete sense. It's going to have a complete thought. A complete sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. That means once you read the group of words, you'll be able to understand who did something and what the person did, or at least who is being spoken about and what we're saying about the person. On the other end, a fragment is a group of words that doesn't express a complete thought. You'll be wondering who is doing what there, what are they doing, what is happening. You would have a zillion questions. And you'll be wondering what, who. Let's go back to the beginning of our story. One Sunday morning, Mia and Tom went on a boat trip. You can see that this one has a complete thought. It's a group of words with a complete thought. On the other hand, suddenly a big wave. You can see what I'm saying now doesn't have a complete thought. The boat rocked back and forth. A complete thought into the water. Incomplete thought. So we can say that this first one is a sentence, but this one is not a sentence, a fragment. We can say this one is a sentence, and we can say this one is a fragment. Let's take it further. Now, these are more examples of fragments and complete sentences. One doesn't have a complete thought, the other has a complete thought. Let's continue our story. Mia grabbed Tom's hand. Complete thought or not? Yes, complete thought. So that makes it a sentence. They held on tightly. Complete thought or not? Yes, complete thought. As a complete thought, it is a sentence. On a strange island. That is unclear. It's incomplete thought. What is happening there? What did the island do? What happened on the island? We are not sure. So that is a fragment. The island had tall trees and colorful birds. Complete thoughts. That is good. A cave with glowing lights. Thoughts are complete or incomplete. That's good. The thought is incomplete. Yes. So it's a fragment. Now it's your turn. What I want you to do is just simple. For each of them, I want you to target sentence or fragment. sentence or fragments. Tag each of this sentence or fragment. Do that quickly.